scalar matrix. First to be a square matrix. Next one. Next point, the corner diagonal elements are equal. The example, diagonal elements equal means 5, 5, 5. Other places 0. That corner place in the diagonal elements only are equal. This diagonal matrix means the diagonal places only having numbers, other places are not 0. Scalar matrix means the diagonal elements all are equal. This one number is 5 means another number also 5. That is called a scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity or unit matrix. That also first to be a square matrix. Next, the diagonal elements are diagonals are all 1. All the numbers are 1. That 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. That is called identity or unit matrix. This is called the diagonal only 1. Diagonal matrix means the diagonal only having numbers, that is called a square matrix. And scalar matrix now. Next, the diagonal numbers or all the elements are same. Next, diagonal elements are all 1. That is called identity or unit matrix. This is it2 means I2 means 2 into 2 matrix. That means 0, 1, 1, 0. That is next I3. I3 3 into 3 matrix. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. The diagonal arm is 1. This is called identity or unit matrix. I2 means 2 into 2 matrix. I3 means 3 into 3 matrix. Next, 7th one, 0 matrix. 0 matrix or null. That means all the elements are 0. That is called 0 matrix. A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. B is equal to 0. This matrix is called 0 matrix or null matrix. Next, 8th one, transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Next, transpose of a matrix. That example, the row change into column, the column change into row. That is called transpose of a matrix. That example, that A is equal to 5, 3, minus 1, 2, 8, 9, minus 4, 7, 5. Next, A transpose is equal to that row change into column 5, 3, minus 1. Next, this row change into column 2, 8, 9. Next, this row change into column minus 4, 7, 5. That is called a transpose. It is row change into column or column change into row. this column change into row, 5 2 minus 4. Next this column 3 8 7, this column minus 1 9 5. This is called transpose. The row change into column or column change into row, that is called a transpose of a matrix. Next, 9th one, triangular matrix. This triangular matrix means, listen, that example 1 7 minus 3 0 2 4 0 0 7. The triangle shape only having numbers, others and all 0. This is called a triangle matrix. The triangle is upside is there, so this is called a upper triangular matrix. Next example 8 0 0 4 5 0 minus 11 3 1. This is downside. This triangle is there, downside another number also 0. So this triangle called lower triangular matrix. This is upper triangular matrix. This is lower triangular matrix. So how many first types of matrices? First row matrix, it has only one row, that is called a row matrix. Next column matrix, it has only one column, this is called a column. Square matrix, number of rows is equal to number of columns. Rows and columns are equal, number of rows. So that 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, that matrix is called a square matrix. Next one, diagonal matrix. That the first rule to be a square matrix, that means 2 into 2, 3 into 3, that like matrix. Next, the diagonal only having numbers, other places and all 0, that is called a diagonal matrix. Next, scalar matrix. First rule to be a square matrix. Next, second rule, diagonal elements are equal, all the numbers are same, that is called a scalar matrix. Next, identity or unit matrix. First rule to be a square matrix. Next one, the diagonals are all 1, all the number are the diagonals only 1, that is called identity or unit matrix. The I2 means 2 into 2. This write like this or write 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You write anything, that's the same, both one correct. 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Next, 0 matrix or null matrix, all the elements are 0, that is called 0 or null matrix. Next, transpose of a matrix, the row change into column or the column change into row, that time matrix is called transpose of a matrix. Next, triangular matrix, the triangular shapes only having numbers, other places and all 0, that is called a triangular matrix. The upper side is triangle there, the upper triangular matrix. The downside only having numbers, that is called a lower triangular matrix.